Hello everybody, and welcome to the Big Fish Off to decide second and third places in the 2023 Championship. Currently I'm on 130 points, so is Steve Turner on 130 points, and Colin is in fourth place with 125. So with 20 points to the winner, 18 points to second and 16 points for third, it's all to play for out there on the banks.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today you join us at Torigni Lakes, and we're for the Big Fish Off, that we've nicknamed it. There are three of us. We'll be fishing for second and third place in the anac, that's the Anglo-Normandy Angling Club Championship, and we'll see how we get on. At least the snow's gone. It's nice and warm, 10 degrees, so who knows, we might actually catch something. Let's go on down to the lake. I was going to ask for an interview from the two of the three protagonists before we start.
Oh, right, okay.
Are we feeling confident, Steve?
No.
No, neither am I.
No, not at all. No. I think we'll have a good chat.
We will.
Dream of catching a fish.
Well, Colin and I came down here last week, and I think we sat where you are, Steve, and we had 2 hours.
Yeah.
And didn't have a bite. The only thing we saw was some French people walking their dogs.
Very good. I might be doing that.
But it was very, very cold. It was minus something or other, yeah. Whereas today, what you reckon we're going to get? 10 degrees?
No, not that, I don't think.
It was 10 degrees this time yesterday morning.
How was it?
Hmm.
It was 8 when I got here.
Well, there you go. Well, that's a big improvement. They'll be jumping out later on. Unfortunately, we do have the local council picking up the leaves, making the right racket in the background. We'll have to put up with that. Right then, well, when everyone's ready, we'll be underway. Right then. Right, best of luck, everyone. He's got a fish. Hey, Colin. We're in trouble, he's got one. Read them and wait.
You're ahead of me now.
Yeah, I don't think it's very deep. This is the shallower end of the lake. I think I've probably only got, I don't think there's even 4 foot water, it's probably 3 foot. There's not, by the time you've tightened up the rods, the feeder's already on the bottom.
Yeah.
So it's very hard to tell. We were down here a few years ago now, and there was, I don't know if I told you, but there's where that bloke is over the other side. There was a fella carp fishing, and he sent one of them little boats out into these trees, and the boat got stuck. And he walks all the way round to where I am here, and he walked all the way out to that overhanging tree and got it back. And most of the way it was only up to not much above his knees, and he did eventually go and get it, but there was about halfway between me and him, it suddenly got a little bit deeper, but then it shallowed up again. So where there's a hole there somewhere, I don't know.
That's probably a little green bed or whatever.
It's only a tiddler.
Not bad.
Well, compared to Colin's, it's a tiddler. Oh. But it'll make him nervous. He'll go to pop, Colin, when he's nervous.
Yeah. I don't think you've got anything to worry about now. Action.
very big, but I took my time just in case. I thought that was, when I first hooked it, really big, and it's only 6 ounces.
Was it a little cutfish again or a proper bite?
No, I almost didn't think it was a bite. Pardon?
We needed the partisan crowds,
Yeah.
but there only seem to be Arabians here.
Yeah, this could be the winning fish.
Oh! It'd have to be a big one.
Well, we'll find out in a minute.
That wasn't on them pellets, was it?
No. No, 2 maggots. Well, we're happy with that at the end. 10 minutes to go. Could be a very late comeback, this.
I'd say 2 more could be interesting.
least we've all caught something. What did you say about another one?
Still trying to get the second in the championship off Colin.
Well, no. Colin can't win now, can he? He's too far behind.
Colin is. So you're second.
I am at the moment. You're third.
What?
You were on 130 with me, weren't you?
I don't know. I didn't know. I knew nothing.
This feels like a better fish.
Do you want Colin to land it for you?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yes. Oh, might be worth a roll. Nugget though.
Yeah, at long last.
Goal that there.
Yeah, I think we should fish till 1 o'clock now, don't you? That's impressive speed fishing, isn't it?
I just hope the camera was on.
Oh, it's on.
But there's certain bits that are going to be edited out.
There's certainly the bit with the umbrella flying away.
One more fish needed and Dave hooks the bank.
I still think I should weigh my umbrella in. There's a good 3 or 4 kilos in there. Mind you, I didn't land it from the peg, did I?
You should be allowed that extra quarter of an hour time.
I think
your umbrella.
in 3.5 minutes we'll all had enough, I think. That's strange, they get 2 in 2 minutes like that.
How many times has it happened though?
I've done missed it.
I mean, Danny did you last match, didn't he?
Oh, don't. Oh, I lost my hook link.
Again?
Hook link snapped, yeah.
So you hooked it?
I must have done. Hooked something. Well, we've got 30 seconds to go and I've lost my rigs, so I've given up. And it's just a matter of Steve's about to try and land a 10-pound carp. Give you 15 minutes if you hook it, Steve.
I think I'll
But we think Colin's in the driving seat at the moment. It's been a difficult old day in the rain.
actually good himself really.
There you go, it's worth a go, it's worth a try. It's all going in now.
Yeah.
Right, I think that's about it, Colin.
Yeah.
Time to go for lunch. Right, I'll get the net wet, I suppose. Involves me pulling in. I think we should have Steve doing the can't say it.
Yeah,
Judging.
The big word.
Oh, they're much bigger than mine. Didn't want that easy. I'm nowhere near that way. Oh, well, we haven't zeroed the scales, that'd be handy, wouldn't it?
How are we going to do that now? Just put them in the...
Well, I suppose it'd be the same for both of us, wouldn't it?
Well, yeah. True.
I can't be that far off. Right, Steve, would you like to do the honours?
I'd say that was 2,550. Say it loud for my fans.
2,550! Well done, Colin. I don't think I've got that. Those two bream were much bigger than mine.
I remember here clambering down the bank once. I don't know if the path wasn't open or something. And we fished that side of the lake, and Stuart caught 2 tiny minnows.
Yeah, he did. That was a double one because we fished the month before and caught nothing the first one. You got 3 in there.
Yeah, I know, monsters. 3 monsters.
Right then. Thing is that with it not being... Oh no, it has. Oh, I think we can give you 150 grams for that, Steve. 150 grams?
In there. It's not very long when you're pulling it out.
3 metres, I think. Oh, well, a bit longer than that. I've only got a kilo here at most. There it is. Not yet. Right, tell me the good news, Colin.
I can't read it myself.
Right. I'll tell you the good news, Dave. You've got nowhere near Colin.
Well, 1.5 kilos.
1,450.
1,450.
Yeah.
I thought it was 60, but I'll let you off. Well done today, Colin.
Thank you.
Right then, so that means we can go off and have some lunch. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed our big fish off, and we're home and we're going to start unloading the van. Anyway, what about the results? Well, the results today: Colin, peg 3, he had just about 2.5 kilos and won on the day, scoring him 20 points in the championship, taking him to a total of 145. On peg 2, Steve had 150 grams, just a couple of small roach, going for the bream, didn't get them, and he scored 16 points, taking him to 146. Whereas I was on peg 1 and managed almost 1.5 kilos of skimmers, scoring me 18 points, taking me to 148. What did this mean? Well, let's have a look at the table. So I finished second in the championship with 148. You'll see Steve there in third with 146, and Colin with 145 finished in fourth. So that meant that after we went out and had a spot of lunch, Steve took third place and 20 euros. I had second place in the championship, and of course we'd already presented Danny with the shield and his prize for coming first. Anyway, that brings to an end our championship year with the Anglo Normandy Angling Club. We've got lots to unload here. We've got all the fishing tackle in the back of the car, and that'll be going into storage until January, when we'll be out and about, and our first match is due for February. So I hope you can all join us for that. Have a very happy Christmas and a good new year, and we'll catch you in 2023. Don't forget, like and subscribe, share it on your social media, and next time I'm sure Monty the dog will be out with us. Bye for now.